Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have something very special and popular. You probably read the title and you're right. But there we go. Fidget Cube. So the features, we got the joystick, like, slide it around. This is very loud, the switch. Yeah, no, not do that in class. There's this little rolly ball, and click it. That's my favorite thing on here. Then we got the combination lock. Okay. Then we got these things, like when you want to feel the urge to click a pen. We got those things right here. And then two of them are silenced. And then you got the, I don't know why, but it says breathe on the, whatever the, this worry stone is. It says it's for breathing. I guess it is, because it's soothing. Anything else? Oh, there's the spinner. Like, quickie, it's like a ratchet, so it's better than the other ones are so hard to spin, and I don't understand why they can't fix that. Let's see this. But in the packaging, it came in, there was a little cardboard thing right here, and it was glued to the thing. There was like a cross glue right here, and then it stuck there, so when you even put it upside down, it wouldn't come out. And it was really hard to unbox. So it says AnswerLabs.com because that's the original. Then Fidget Cube. Then this thing, the Fidget Cube doesn't even touch this, so I don't know why they did this. Let me just see this. Hold on. Okay. Wow, the switch is so close to the hole. So close. And I think that's kind of it. So, if you're going to buy one, I know it's $22, but it's the best one you can get. AnswerLabs.com. I love the ball clicking and it's cool. My second favorite is this, even though it makes so much noise. And subscribe for more. I have a fidget spinner too, so next video I'm gonna do it on fidget spinners. So see ya.